All right. One more last video before I go inside. I'm headed inside right now. The garage door. Check that out. I don't know if you can see that. Here you go. That's how much snow we got. Oh, that's some good shit. There you go. That's how much snow we got. So, anyway. It's about a good 8 inches of snow total. Our landlord's Ford. Look, Ford. Dead. The trans is cracked out. Good, Ford, perfect. Nice.